Netgear Orbi login not working? Top 9 easy fixes you must try. Are you struggling with the Netgear Orbi login page not loading or your credentials not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you the top 9 easy troubleshooting methods that instantly fix Orbi login issues. Let's get started. 1. Check power supply. Ensure your Orbi router and satellites are receiving proper power. A poor power source can interrupt the login process. 2. Inspect all cable connections. Make sure Ethernet cables and power cables are tightly connected and not damaged. 3. Enter the correct web/IP address. Always use orbilogin.com, orbilogin.net, or 192.168.1.1. Also verify your admin username and password. 4th, clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser is the culprit. Clear cache, cookies, or try switching to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. 5. Update your web browser. An outdated browser may block the router login page. Make sure you're using the latest version. 6. Update the Orbi app. If you're using the app, upgrade it to the latest version and allow necessary permissions. 7. Improve internet connectivity. Eliminate signal interference, move closer to the router, or use a wired Ethernet connection. 8. Disable VPN firewall temporarily. Security tools like VPNs or firewalls can block the login page. Turn them off temporarily. 9. Power cycle your Orbi system. Restart the router and satellites. This fixes 90% of temporary glitches and login errors. And that's it. These 9 simple steps will fix almost all Orbi login issues instantly. If the problem still continues, try resetting your router as a last resort. And if still you are facing any issue, drop a comment in the comment box. We will fix all your router-related issues.